How to install the Shopify application on your laptop. Hello everyone, and let's get started. Before diving into the steps to install or download the Shopify application, let's understand what Shopify is. It is a popular e-commerce platform that allows businesses to create, manage and their online stores. It provides a set of tools and features to help merchants build and customize their online storefronts. So, if you want to grow your business and sell products or services, manage inventory, it is the perfect website for you. But it does not provide an application. Instead, it is an e-commerce platform available on website. However, if you want the ease of access on this application, here is a way out definitely. So for this, what you have to do is go to shopify.com and then log in into your account. After that, tap on the three dots on the top right corner. There you have the option of save and share. Tap on it and then tap on save page as or create shortcut. However, you have to wait for a few seconds so that a console box or the dialog box will appear. Before that, if you check on your desktop, the shortcut is not created. Go back to the same website and you have the option of create shortcut. Click on the option open as window and confirm it. Now, if you go back to your desktop and refresh the page, you will notice that the shortcut has been created. Now, it is equivalent to downloading the application. Once you tap on it, it will open in a new window. So that is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.